Hey guys, how's it going? So the reason why I make a video about why I believe Moderna could be worth $1,000 one day is because it's an attractive title. People might click on it, be like, "Hey, what's this idiot talking about?" Because you know what? I could be an idiot. I could just be really stupid, and it is what it is. But personally, I think I have a little bit of intelligence, but ultimately, you are the judge of that. You can think I'm an idiot, or I'm somewhat smart, or I'm just completely stupid. It's up to you. But so what? Why did I say this? And like, I absolutely think this is a possibility, because it has a market cap of $47 billion, right? And three things must happen for this to be $1,000. Number one, they need to buy back. They need to keep buying back shares. Number two, they need to come out with a cancer vaccine, and be approved and do well in the market, and then maybe in the future come up with different uh cancer vaccines than just than just uh skin cancer. So if they can do that, I think the stock could have huge potential for upside in a big way. Uh, but we'll see what happens. If you look on the balance sheet, right, they have been buying back shares. As you can see, they had 400 million shares in three on the third quarter of the first quarter of 2022, and then their shares went down to 392, and now their shares went down to 387 million shares. So they are buying back shares. They're using their cash to buy back shares. So maybe we could see 350 at $1,000. That would be about $350 billion, which is not something that is crazy. We have Tesla that was $1 trillion. We have Amazon $1 trillion. We have Microsoft $1 trillion. So they need a lot of things to go well for them in order for them to be worth $1,000. Short term, I don't know what the stock's gonna do. Right now, the market doesn't look hot. It looks really bad. It looks really volatile. Stocks are getting pummeled by the market going down every day. So I can. There's a possibility you could see this stock go all the way back down to $120. At $120, I'm going to buy this thing freaking heavy. I will just load the boat on it at $120 because I think it's extremely undervalued at $120 for the future potential it has. But hey, don't do what I do, because I'm an idiot. I don't know what I'm talking about, and you will lose money buying into stocks that I want to buy into. It's just that simple. Just go do your own thing. You have your own brain. Buy what you want. I honestly still think that rich people move the stock. If they want to punch this thing back down to $120, I would be happy to load up on it. Oh, so I thought, maybe the stock could go back to $200, $300, because if you look at Pfizer, you know, this stock went from $40 like in October to almost like 53 $54, almost back to all-time highs. So I thought maybe the market will push, the market, when I say the market, rich people will push Moderna back to $300. But we had a really red day, and the market sold, took some risk off the table and sold the stock and caused the stock price to go down. It is what it is. We'll see what happens in the following months. But I think Moderna is undervalued, especially if it goes back down to $120. And I will definitely be loading the boat on it because That's down there is potentially a 10x in the next 5 to 10 years, or couple years, depending on how how the market will pump the stock. Because it was like almost a 400 $500 stock not too long ago, and then it crashed. So, you know, markets are volatile. And if we look at Johnson, $459 billion, another pharmaceutical company. Pfizer, what is it? $288 billion. So yeah, there's huge potential for Moderna to be a really hot stock one day. No, I'm not talking now. I'm talking about like 5, 10 years down the road. So, or maybe shorter, depending on rich people and how they pump stocks. We'll see what happens. Maybe we'll be in a bear market for like 5 years, and the market will not move anywhere. That could be a possibility too. Anyways, that's all I really have to say in this video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for future updates. Bye.